Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Looking at PCLN NVDA Tesla NFLX CMG. So PCLN continuing for the bears with a bear flag setup with our bounce attempt. It was weak. We rejected from exponential resistance and we've closed near the lows of the day, 2 days in a row now. So support is down at 1852, and then we're looking down to the double bottom at 1845, a key support, because if that breaks, we're looking down at 1836 and then 1800. That's the low of our reaction to the bearish reaction to earnings, and that is the next support level that we're holding, or looking to hold. But if it breaks, that's confirmation of the bear flag. So the bears have had 2 nice days in a row on PCLN, and we are back testing and rejecting from the weekly middle Bollinger Band, previous support for a long time, all of 2017, and now resistance. NVDA, further pullback. Again, considering where we're coming from the past 2 days, the bounce from the lows of earnings, this isn't very significant consolidation. It's healthy consolidation at this point. So if we were to see another drop and an increase in bear volume, right now the declining bear volume is a good sign for the bulls. If we were to see that change, that would obviously be a red flag in the short term. But as of right now, bulls are still healthy overall, and we're looking to see if they can hold 163.84 tomorrow, the low of today. Bulls need to establish a new higher low after this bull break, consolidate, form that higher low, and then try and make a move back to the all-time high. Weekly time frame still very strong with exponential moving averages as support and no sign of any trend change on the weekly. Tesla continuing to tighten on the daily time frame, higher lows, lower highs, volume dropping off. So resistance is 367.66 and support is down at 359.37. And we will likely see a break before the end of the week, but if not, certainly by the start of next week, we should see a clear break inside bar on the weekly time frame, more likely than not to form, unless we see a break of 470 by the bulls, which would certainly put momentum in their favor. Netflix gap down open today, and the bulls closed up near the high, so they're trying to change the trend, but we've seen lower highs on the daily time frame 7 days in a row now, and consistent rejections from exponential resistance. So the bulls still have work to do at this point. They have to break those lower highs and confirm this reversal candlestick. We have not seen any bullish reversal candlestick confirmed significantly since we came from the all-time high. So that's what the bulls need to put together here, and tomorrow's the day to do it. A break of 172.58 would show some strength if that could happen tomorrow. Weekly time frame for Netflix trying to form a bullish reversal doji, indicating that consolidation over the past 3 weeks is done. We will have to confirm a bullish reversal candlestick next week, but with 2 trading days left to go this week, that could still change in regards to how the shape of this candlestick ends up forming. So if we do end the week right here with a doji, we will be looking for a break of 172.45 and confirmation of this bullish reversal candlestick into next week. CMG on the weekly or the daily time frame continuing to show weakness, lower highs and lower lows, maintaining the status quo for the bears as we continue to reject from these exponential resistances on the daily time frame. No follow through for the bulls, lowest close we've seen. And I personally would not like to touch this name bullish until we close over the 8-period exponential. I've been saying that for about a month at this point, and it has yet to happen. So the weekly time frame, no sign of the bulls continuing to dump. RSI is getting extremely oversold. We know the price has been ignoring RSI levels, but last time we had the E. coli scare, the RSI on the weekly time frame bounced from the low 20s, and we saw a 30% gain. So I am keeping an eye out. I'm not going to just assume we're going to zero here. We will see an oversold bounce play out, just not going to try and catch this falling knife. Need to see the signals that the bulls are showing up, and they aren't here yet. So I appreciate you watching. We'll check back in tomorrow. Netflix is getting interesting. Keep an eye on Netflix to see whether or not the bulls can show up and confirm this candlestick and close over exponential daily resistances. See you tomorrow. Have a great night.